This is a video tutorial on how to set up your SafelyTeam Habitat smart home package. Feel free to pause and rewind the video as we go. Let's begin by seeing what we get inside the box. Included in your Habitat package is a heat alarm, one flood alarm, one air quality sensor, and the gateway. Also included is an in-depth reference guide and 2 window stickers. If you haven't done so already, please download the Safely Connect app onto your smart device. Once the app is downloaded, you will need to create a new account by pressing Sign Up Now at the bottom of the page. Please then fill in your personal details. You will then be asked to create a password. Once this is done, press Finish. Your account has now been created and you can log in from the home page of the app using the email address and password you have just entered. You will then see this screen asking you to enter your location details. Please press Continue. If your location is turned on your smart device, this may be entered automatically. However, if not, please manually type in the address that your smart system will be located. Please then press Next. We are now ready to begin setting up your system. We begin with the gateway. Open up the gateway box and remove the contents. Inside you will find the gateway itself. This can be set aside for a few moments. And in the box underneath, we will find a power supply and an Ethernet cable. To connect your gateway, plug in the power source and Ethernet cable at the rear. Plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port on your Wi-Fi hub. Then press Next. The app will then open the camera on your smart device and ask you to scan the QR code on the bottom of the gateway. We will then see this screen asking you to set up the alarm receiving center. Press Skip for now, as this can be set up later using the instructions in the reference guide. The gateway then may take some time to update. Once it is updated, you will be asked to create an alarm pin. As the Habitat package doesn't have any triggering devices, this doesn't matter for now. However, these may be added later on, so make this memorable. Your gateway registration is now complete and we are ready to start adding the other devices. The order in which the devices are added does not matter. However, the first one I am going to add is the air quality sensor. From the dashboard, go to the Devices page and press the plus icon in the bottom corner, selecting the air quality sensor from the list of devices. The app will then open the camera and ask you to scan the QR code on the box. You can then enter the device name, room, and floor number. Once this is done, press Next. You will then be asked to power on the device. For the air quality sensor, simply pull the pull tag. Pressing Next and returning to the dashboard, we should see a tile representing the air quality sensor has now appeared and will show us online. To install your air quality sensor, simply peel the sticky pads and stick it to the wall in the room you want to monitor. The next device we are going to add is the flood alarm. From the dashboard, go to the devices page, press the plus icon and select the flood alarm from the list of devices. The app will then open the camera and ask you to scan the QR code on the side of the box. You can then enter the name of your device, the room it shall be located in and the floor number. Once this is done, press Next. You'll then be asked to power on your device. For the flood alarm, twist the top anti-clockwise to open it. Remove the plastic cover to reveal the battery. Then simply pull the pull tag. Pressing Next and returning to the dashboard, we will see a tile appear representing the flood alarm. To install your flood alarm, simply place it on the floor of the room you wish to monitor. The next device we are going to install is the heat alarm. Again, go to the devices page, press the plus icon and select the heat alarm. The app will again open the camera and you will need to scan the QR code on the box. We can then again enter the device name, room location and floor number. To power on the heat alarm, twist the bottom anti-clockwise to open it. Then simply pull the battery pull tag. Pressing Next and returning to the dashboard, we will see a tile appear representing the heat alarm. To install the heat alarm, simply peel the sticky pads and stick it to the ceiling of the wall you wish to monitor. We recommend placing this in an environment where smoke alarms would not work. The reference guide has more details on all of our devices, how to install them, and how to make the most out of all the features on the Safely Connect app. If you require any other information, please email or call the number on the screen and one of our team will be happy to help.